Nwangoke. Chai.
Okay.
Nwangai Margaret. Okuala gbasara gị. Ọ gwakwara m na isi ka ofesi.
Oh yeah. It's a lot. That's how we do it over there. Don't take ordinary water. And I'm mirimpo. Yeah, mirimpo man. And I couldn't say a lot. I had the car. I ishim just oshishinkati. Ishim panya. Yeah, I am a paniatic citizen.
Paniatic?
Yeah, that's it. This person you are seeing here, I'm a book boy. I will money brave now, Panya. The president of Panya is my boy. Oh, the president of Panya, he lived in my house. He was squatting in my house before I gave him money to contest for presidential presidency. Yeah. When he won, he became a president. Now, I am associate president to Panya citizenship. Yes.
Ka we heto n'anya.
Yeah, o kwesịrị ịtụ gị n'anya. O kwesịrị ịtụ gị n'anya.
Obi atọgbole m na nwere ọdụ onye dị ka gị n'ụlọ m. Obi ruo gị ala.
Oh, that's me. I am a big boy.
What is that guy?
Before you do it, if you come to Panya, every street na Panya, Edraham. Yep. Every street na Panya, Edraham. Yeah. I know.
Where is that guy? Margaret, because we are chora in Hoggy. Hey, Margaret, Bia, Enopa, Unye, President Panego. Hey, what am I?
Young go Barahara Nulan. A beast station, me. What try, Rowanok?
What's that?
Oh, yeah. I'm blacker.
Damn it! Black? Oh my God! This is African food? Yeah, we're in Africa. Oh, shit. Jeez! What's that?
Oha.
Wow! Oha!
Yes.
Oh, for her.
Oh, for her.
Yeah.
Oh, for her.
Yeah.
Damn it. This should be African food.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I know. See, I'm not a pine. And I'm very African food. Otela. Really African food. I can eat this when it case I'm up. Yeah, man.
Mania wo tuni a iri to fuga up about whenever.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, I was eating, but so by the time I get to Pan, I have to go for surgery. How could share in on my placenta? Yes, African placenta. They need to replace it with paniatic placenta. So what I'm carrying now is paniatic placenta, intestine, abdomen. I'm afraid if I eat this, I might get congested. Yeah. But anyway, like I said before, just Makanoya and Shiria. Agamiria. Mrichaya. Mango. Agamiria. Chai. This food. Oh, come to Pie. If you come to Pie, I eat food. Jeez. Oh my God. It's hot.
Yeah.
Orok.
Yeah.
Oriok.
Yeah.
Orok.
Yeah, man. It does it, really? In Paya, we call it Ekbukebu. Yeah, in Paya. We call it Ekbukebu. Yeah, man. That's how we do it in Paya. Yeah. You do it this way. You do it this way. You do it. This is called doings. Say doings.
Doings.
Papa say doings.
Doings.
Good. Doings. Then you fold it. Then you start from here. Come on. Catch her, man. Just watch me. Woo. Wow. Panya. I like it. I like it.
O fie truth.
What? Oh my God. Wow. This good. What do you call this soup again?
Oh, for her.
Oh, for her. Oh, for her.
Oh, I am Neji share my wig. My baby. Mugajulage anime.
Ebi here?
Ebi, look at your drongo.
What? This a bee? It be you. Yeah. It be you nice. It's good. I like one. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I like that. I like it. Unako. I like the soup. Very interesting. Yeah, very interesting, man. See, you see what? Abuna mwagi wa kwetem luom. Him na we. I will bring down this house. Yes. I will tell the president of Panya. Money aga biangai kutaula. I royal tower. A long tower. Then we raise the empire. Then we raise the scrap rapper. That's what they call it in the empire. Scrap rapper. Scrap rapper. That's what is it. It is called Supapa Supepe. Then we raise the Tokwasaya. Okay. Just tell her to accept me. That's all.
Ya uru no kwete hege. Mu ekwerelam.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Papa biko ibaga speed. I must say him but try alum down on them naka. Bogula gi oshembo. Another naka. Nine there so yanya muntu shaka ma him neme.
Yeah, man.
Yasemo. Mbaga go ya That's kono go ya
Mwamanga na yante ukwechana. Ya kwe hekwelam.
Yeah.
Okay, onye ga-arụ skyscrapers na mee ya empire. Gịsị gịnị?
Yeah.
One for the money, two for the show. Start with the hustle, now about to blow. The stage is no money, now they don't know. I'm in on the serious, sick with the flow. Call me Mr. Biggie, call me Mr. Heavy, spitting bars like a pregnant alcoholic. I rap, I dance, I act, workaholic. Went on the ground, now I'm back. Machiavelli, head is strong when they see me on the telly. Oh, that's rapper, big papa, no stopper. They love me on the show because I've been the showstopper. Woo! Go here. You have to eat in the wall. See, you have to eat in the wall. And if you're in the way where you have to eat in the wall. Oh, they're working out by the way, they're to eat in the wall. Wow. I don't make her. That's me, man. That's me, man. I go and share like a DJ. Go like a down for your info. When I drop record, they bang like an info. And I'm better tell all these people. I don't smile when I cry, and that's simple. I know be the video, so you will see my dimple. I'm a superstar, style high when I dimple. Oh my baby, make we get down. Me I want diet, make we run down. King of the town, eyes on the ground. This is for the haters, tell them slim round. You see that wall? You see that wall? You see that wall? You see that wall? And then I gotta go. You see that wall? 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 They bury the seed. Now you know haters want me to stop. They say Baba go slow. Baba go they kill all the show. Baba go they drop all the flow. Baba go fit steal your kele. Oh yeah. One thing where Baba no go fit do. Oh yeah. Who made me? The rap game told me. Oh yeah. To the hood, rapping like a shoe. Oh yeah. New heaven. Shout out to the hood. Oh yeah. One day in Bebesi, but the is international. They find it. How it be? That's all. Come here.